Alright, hey, we are going to be putting sour, little things in our mouth. We're not quite sure where they're from, though, because we ordered them online. And then, yeah, we're going to be multitasking and doing that. Okay. So, yeah. Alright.
She'll be doing the cup song, and I'll be texting.
Okay, I'm sure I have. And whoever gives up first,
has to do a dare of the person who wins choice.
yeah.
Do not kiss the door handle.
Okay. Anyway, okay. Here we go. Alright.
Okay.
Wait. Rules. After we put it in our mouth. I don't know.
Are we starting?
And then I put one in my mouth.
Oh, okay. All right.
Here, you just do something with this instead. Just mess around with that. Okay.
I'm not very good at the
And
cup
then
song.
do the thing twice, whatever you do.
I'll do this.
Yeah, do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then
5,
1.
6, 7, 8.
No! Okay. Here we go. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
We're exaggerating much.
Man! Woo!
Mhm.
Are these extra sour candies? Woo! Mmm. Right.
I still have them in.
Woo!
Okay. Let's do another one. Don't show them, that's gross. Oh! Oh, can't do it.
I give up.
I still have to do the rest then. Let's see how many I can go. I have I don't know how many I have in my mouth. But we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 more in my mouth. Okay. Oh,
Holy mackerel!
I'm doing it longer.